Understanding what is causing global climate change. 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. Human-released greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, trap heat in the atmosphere. This is the primary cause of modern climate change. 2. Burning of fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and gas are burned from energy releasing large amount of carbon dioxide. This contributes significantly to atmospheric warming. Deforestation. Deforestation, forest reduces the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Deforestation also releases stored carbon into the atmosphere. Example of deforestation is illegal logging. Illegal logging is a significant problem in many countries, driven by high demand for timber and weak enforcement. Legal logging. Even legal logging can contribute to deforestation if not managed sustainably. Unsustainable logging practices can lead to forest degradation and loss. Industrial and agricultural emissions. Modern farming releases methane from livestock and nitrous oxide from fertilizers. These are potent greenhouse gases. Climate feedback loops. Warming causes Arctic ice to melt and permafrost to thaw, releasing more greenhouse gas. This amplifies climate change in a vicious way. Climate feedback loops are self-perpetuating processes within the Earth climate system where an initial change triggers a response that either amplifies positive or negative feedback. The initial change, understanding these loops, is crucial because they significantly influence the speed and extent of climate change. That's all. Thank you.